Okay, so in this particular part, we're going to talk about on how to create an account for e-learning portal. Okay, so the first thing that we should do is to access this particular page. Okay, so there are two ways on how to do that. First is to type in the address bar the lms.evsu.edu.ph. Okay, so once you do that, you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, so the other way on accessing our e-learning portal website will be to access the apps.evsu.edu.ph website first. Then after doing that is we need to click the e-learning portal icon. Then once we do that, it will be redirected to this particular page as well. Okay, so now let's say you already have an account. So all you need to do is to log in to our login form. So you just need to provide your username or your email address. Okay, then of course the password. Then after that, then click login. So if you provided the correct login details of your e-learning portal account, then it will be redirected to the dashboard of your account. Okay. Now, for those that don't have an account yet, all you need to do is to create one. Okay, so you can click the new account link or you can click the create account button. So once you do that, it will be redirected to this particular page. So in this particular page, you will be verified first if you are truly part of the Eastern Visayas State University, whether you are an employee or a student. Okay, so on our end, we're going to click student button. Okay, so once we do that, it will be redirected to this particular form. Okay, so we need to fill out the form using our student portal login details. Okay, for us to be verified that we are truly part of the Eastern Visayas State University. So we need to provide the student ID and the password of our student portal. Then click verify. Okay, so once we do that, it will redirect to this page in which we need to provide our age and location. So on my end, I put 28 because I'm already 28 years old, and the country which is Philippines. Now you can now click proceed. So after that, it will be redirected to this page wherein we're going to provide the username and password and the other details for our account. Okay, so let's start with the username part. So for the username, it is recommended that we follow a format of first name dot last name. Okay, then for your password, we should provide a strong password by following the criteria of having this one. So the password must have at least 8 characters, at least one digit, at least one lowercase letters, at least one uppercase letters, and at least one non-alphanumeric character such as asterisk, dash, or a number sign. Okay? Okay, so for the more details part, we just need to provide our email address. Okay, so in the part of the email again, we just need to retype the email address we provided. So we need to make sure guys that the email address here is an active, valid, and working email address. Okay, because what will happen once we create or to click the create my account button create my new account, what will happen, the system will send us an email or a confirmation email to complete our registration. So if you didn't provide the correct email address here or not a working email address, then you will not receive any confirmation email, which means you cannot able to complete your registration process. Okay, so we need to make sure that you provided an active or working email address. Okay, guys. Then next is, of course, the first name, then the last name, which is Dailo, and the town, and also the country, which is Philippines. And of course, for the security questions, we need to check the reCAPTCHA part so that we will not be considered as a robot. Okay, so after doing that, after filling out the form, all we need to do is to click My New Account button. Okay, so once that happened, then we will going to see this page which states that an email should have been sent to your email address at mondaiload@gmail.com. It contains its instruction to complete your registration. So if you continue to have difficulty, contact the site administrator. Okay, so now let's try to check our email. So this is my email. So I received some email coming from the EVSU module administrator, which is about the account information, confirmation, I mean. So let's try to open that one. So hi Raymond Dailo, a new account has been requested at EVSU Learning Management System using your email address. To confirm your new account, please go to this web address. So all we need to do is to click this particular link. So once we do that, it will be redirected to this particular page. So basically, this is the layout of our e-learning portal account. Okay, so it's stated here that thanks Raymond Dailo, your registration has been confirmed. Okay, so it means that we successfully created our e-learning portal account. Okay,